Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vloggers channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create a sprawling transition effect. If you are interested in this one, keep watching the video. Before we start making it, first, we need to prepare a piece of material like this. You can search for particle in the material website or find the material in our Facebook group. Next, open VideoProc Vlogger. Import the material we just downloaded. First, we need to create a piece of reverse color material. Click here to enter the setting interface. Find the background, change it to white, and click down to return to the main interface. Import a particle material into the overlay track. Let it fit to the screen. Then, find the blend mode in the inspector, change it to difference. Now we get a reverse color material. After exporting this video, we bring it back into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete the material on the timeline and change the background color back to black. Next, we import the video material just prepared. Put a particle material with a white background into the video track. Put the video material into the overlay track. Let it fit to the screen. And adjust the duration. Align it with the material on the video track. Change the blend mode of the picture to multiply. Now, a basic blurring effect is complete. Next, we create the effect of the flat edge. First, create a new overlay track. Then find the material with the black background. Drag it into the new track. Let it fit to the screen. Similarly, we can raise some contrast. Then, let's enter the color editor. Drag the progress bar to when the white appears. Then adjust the value of the temperature to the lowest. Let the screen turn orange. Then find HSL. Find orange and adjust the value of hue. Since we need to use the subtract blend mode later, so according to the color distribution on the color wheel, here we need to adjust the color in the screen to light blue if you want to create a red edge of the flame. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Then, adjust its blend mode to subtract. In order to enhance these effects, we'll find image blurring and smoothing. Check Enable Image Denoising and adjust all three values to the maximum parameters. Now, a flame text effect is complete. Then start a new project, and after importing the material we just made into the media library, we import a video material we need for the transition, put it into the overlay track. Let it fit to the screen. Next, let's create a new overlay track, and put the blurring material into the overlay track. Also, let it fit to the screen. Click here to enter the motion editor. First, mark a keyframe at the far left of the timeline, then adjust the box to fit to the screen. Next, mark the second keyframe at 5 seconds. Shrink the box. Let the screen show a zooming. Adjust the speed to smooth speed up 1. Then, mark a keyframe on the far right. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Change your blend mode to screen. Then, select the material of the upper track. Drag it forward a little bit. Then find Fade and Move. Check Fading and adjust the duration to about 3 seconds. Now, a blurring transition effect is complete. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about the other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!